Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 3 of this How to Crochet Granny Squares series. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a beautiful daisy granny square. This pattern is a lovely way to add a touch of floral charm to your project, perfect for the blankets, pillows or any crochet creations you have in mind. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, I'll guide you step by step to create this stunning design. So grab your yarn and hook and let's start crocheting this delightful daisy granny square together. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this granny square, I'm using these three colors: yellow, white and green, and a hook of 3.5 mm. You can use any size of yarn and any size of hook. It's totally up to you. A weaving needle for hiding the tails and a scissor. So let's get started by taking yellow color. Make a slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot and tighten the knot and make chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And slip stitch into the chain 1. Insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop and pull through. Now we are going to work into the circle, a little circle you can see. Now work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I will count this chain 3 as a double crochet. First double crochet. Now I am going to work 11 more double crochets into the circle. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 4 space and you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work double crochet. You have total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this is the last 12. So you have total of 12 double crochet including this chain 3 as a double crochet, and just count this C to make sure you have total of 12 stitches now including that chain 3. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 and chain 1 to secure the yarn and fasten of the yarn. We are done with over round 1. For the round 2, we will attach yarn in any of the stitch and tie the knot. Now work chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this chain 4 I will count as a triple crochet. The first petal is little different as we have worked chain 4 for the first. So we are going to work 3 triples together. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops. You have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. Without yarning over, we will again make a triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull up the loop. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is the first petal of our flower. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and we will work 3 triples together into the next stitch. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have 2 loops left on the hook. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have 3 loops left, yarn over twice, insert the hook and pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have total of 4 loops left on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is 3 triples together and 1 petal for the daisy flower. Now chain 2, now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the yarn over and pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. 3 loops left, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So then you have 3 loops left, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. In the same way, work total of 12 petals in total, and I will meet you at this point. Work same as I work 2 petals. First one is little different as we have worked first triple crochet as chain 4. Now chain 2. I will show you the one more petal. I will show you one more petal. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops left, yarn over, pull through all the 4 loops. Now work the same and I will meet you at the end of 12th petal. Now I have worked total of 12 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just make sure you have total of 12 petals at the end of round 2. Now slip stitch into the chain 4, chain 2 and slip stitch into the chain 4 and yarn over, pull through chain 1 to secure the yarn and fasten off the knot. Now we have completed our round 2. Now for the round 4, we will switch our color to green. Now attach any of the space, chain 2 space, and tie the knot. And work chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we will start with our first corner and we are going to convert this circle into a square. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now work in next space 3 double crochet, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work again 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space, now yarn over twice. We are going to make over second corner, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, pull up the loop, total of 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work 3 triple on the chain 2 space, yarn over twice, chain 2. This chain 2 works as a corner. Now again yarn over twice, and work 3 triples into the same space. Now work double crochet into the next 3 double crochet into the next space. Now into the next space again work 3 double crochet. Now for the third corner again work 3 triples into the chain space. Now chain 2 for the corner 1 and 2 and again 3 triples into the same space. Yarn over twice. Now 3 double crochet into the next space. Again work 3 double crochet into the next space. You can see this is the first, second, third corner. Now for the last corner work 3 triples, chain 2 and 3 triples into the same space. Chain 2, 1 and 2 and again 3 triples into the same space. Now you have 2 spaces left and we are going to work 3 double crochet in one space. Now we have 1 space left. Work 3 double crochet into the space and for the last we just start with 3 triples. Now we are going to end with 3 triples into the next space. Yarn over twice. Yarn over twice. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 and slip stitch into the chain 4. Now you can see a square is formed. Now slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch and slip stitch into the space between the 3 double crochet and 3 triples, and we are going to start over round 4 from this space. Now chain 3 as first double crochet and 2 more double crochet. Now work 3 double crochet into the next space. And again now 3 double crochet in into the spaces between the double crochets. Now into the corner work 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the same space. Now 3 double crochet into the next space. You can see we just start from here, and this is our first corner, and we are at our second corner. Now again in the corner work 6 double crochets with a chain 2 in between. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now again work double crochet, now again in the corner work 6 double crochet with a chain 2 in between. Chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. Now into the next space again work 3 double crochet. Now in the next space 3 double crochet. So technically we have to work in each space 3 double crochet or granny stitch. Now in the last corner we are going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 to end the round. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 and chain 1 to secure the yarn and fasten of the yarn. And we have crocheted over daisy granny square. Now hide the yarn. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you loved creating the daisy granny square as much as I did. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might love it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more creative crochet tutorial. I can't wait to see how you use your daisy granny square in your projects. Keep crocheting and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.